Welcome to Logogenie. Let's take a look at how to modify colours. Click on an element and use the colour picker in the main menu to change colours. Make sure that your element is flashing. Then apply a colour with the colour picker. Same method applies for the texts. Just click on a text and use the colour picker to select a colour. You can reuse saved colours to keep colours alike throughout your logo. Here's how to use gradient colours. Click on an element and tick the gradient box. Now you can choose the first colour of your gradient. Then click on the second tab to choose the second colour. Now it's time for you to give it a go. Don't forget to check out the other video tutorials available on our site.